Coming the derivation of the cyclotron. As I told you, the time period of the cyclotron to come from this point to this point and this point to this point always be equal. Okay, so we knows about the V is equal to E by B. We also know about the electric force QE equal to the QVB, और ये फॉर्मूला यहीं से आया है. We also know the magnetic force act towards the center. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? The centripetal force will equal to the magnetic force, and the centripetal force is mv square by r, and the magnetic force is QVB. So 1v will cancel, and you can get the v is equal to QBr by m. So this is the velocity of the charged particle. See, mass of the charged particle, if it is less, then velocity will be maximum, and if the velocity is maximum, then radius will also be maximum. तो आपने क्या सीखा? अगर मास कम है तो वेलोसिटी ज्यादा हो जाएगी. If I am taking the electron which has the least mass, the velocity of the electron would be maximum. और अगर उसकी velocity ज्यादा है, then radius will also be maximum. Okay. Now coming the time period, as we know the v is equal to 2 pi r by t. So the t is equal to 2 pi r by v, and the v is here. You can put it down. Then v is equal to 2 pi r by QBr by m, r cancel, then t is equal to 2 pi m by QB. Now come to this formula. You see here, v is depend on the r, but the time period doesn't depend the r. That means time taken by the charged particle to come in from this point to this point, either this point to that point, which has the different radius, variable radius, doesn't depend on it. That means the time period doesn't depend on the changes in the radius. Okay. Now we have to discuss about the kinetic energy. So what is the kinetic energy? K is equal to is half mv square. Then K is equal to is half formula of the velocity, which is written here. Q square b square r square by m square. 8 m cancel. Then K is equal to is half q square b square r square by m. So you can see this is the formula of kinetic energy, and again the kinetic energy inversely proportional to the mass, and it is directly proportional to the square of radius. If the mass is less, kinetic energy would be maximum, and if the kinetic energy is maximum, the radius will also be maximum. Okay, so that's why we are not using the light charged particle like electron. We are using the heavy charged particle, proton, alpha particle, and other different charged particle. Hope so you learn. Thank you.